Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create ramp creation in Revit. This video not only for beginner level. This video will give it to you beginner to professional level. I will show you how. First of all, you want to create a ramp. You need to look for architecture ribbon here. Then under calculation, you will see this ramp right over here. You click on it. Okay. That's the one thing I need to tell you before you create a run. The run, it wasn't straightforward, but you have to understand the technical thing. Before we go into the draw item, so I need to explain to the property. You will see the constraint where you want the base level and the top level are right over here. You want to go 0 level to level 1. Okay, to the height of the level 0 to level 1, you can check from the top view here. Level 0 to level 1 is totally 4 meters. Okay, you knew what height you want to create in your ramp. Okay, then the graphic, if you want to type it, that is manually. You can type whatever you want it. Just a default, you can leave it. Up task, that will be up. Down task, that will be DN. Okay, if you want to show the level, then tick on it. If you don't want to show, uncheck. Okay, just leave it the default. If you want to show the arrow, that you won't see the down level, something like that. Okay, I will just leave it the default. But before we create the ramp, so we need to check the edit type. So here, that is the main issue. The technical things you have to understand. It means maximum incline length. So you have to draw only along 12 meter length. Then what is the height? Is a ramp maximum slope 1 divided by 8. It means you see that you set the value, the default set the value 12. It's 12 meter divided by 12. You can get the 1 meter. That exactly the meaning. So I will show you what exactly look like. So later part I will show you what height you want it to, so you can set in here. So I just leave it the default, whatever that it will appear. That's a 1 meter high. Okay, that's a dimension part. How about the shape? That's a thickness. If you want, you can set it the thickness 150, or you want it to 200, whatever that, you can set it here. That's a function interior or exterior. So I will leave it the interior. So the task is 2.5. It means, then you will see here, that's a task up down. The task side will be 2.5. It's an area form. So the run material, you can set it here, the run material. For now, you will leave it like this. I will show you what is the purpose for this. The maximum incline length, the 12 meter, and the run maximum slope 1 slab by 8 is 12. So with 12 meter divided by 12, the vertical height will be 1 meter. So I will show you now. So that's a ramp. You can create it. That will be the straightforward. It just what if you want to for now I will create straightforward. You will see the gray color over here. You see here 48 meter. So 0 of 48 meter remaining. But if you see the length is a blue color here. The blue color 12 meter. That is limitation of maximum incline length is a 12 meter. I will just whatever beyond the 12 meter, I will click on this. It only allows you create 12 meter. So just click finish. Then you will see the top view here. What the height? So you will see that. So for now, I just show you this 1 meter. The reason is the edit type. The dimension in edit type, that's the value you set is 12 meter incline length, and the run maximum slope is 12. So with 12 meter divided by 12 become 1 meter. That exactly the meaning of 1 divided by 8. So please take note, guys. This is most important for you to create the run. Okay, I will go back what you can create it. So I will delete it right now. So I will go back and create another one. So you click over this the ramp, then is I will still follow the ramp. So I will click over this. Is the gray or color, it will say 48 meter. It means 12 meter. If you create a 12 meter, so you will get the 1 meter. If you really your constraint set level 0 to level 1, it means 4 meter. You have to create the 4 times of 12 meter. That's the main reason. That's the reason he show 48 meter. So I will click this, and then I will just go into another direction, and that become how much remaining 24. So click over this, then I will click this 48, then this is a 0 remaining right over here. 0 remaining. You created total 48 meter length. So that is a total 48 meter length is only for you straight, doesn't include for landing. Please stay note, guys, this is the most important thing, don't confuse. Okay, then I will just finish it. So when you see this is side view, when you see this railing, for you is not necessary, you can delete it. So where is the level 0? Here, and this is a higher point, the 4 meter. That's Revit indicated you must be create 48 meter, but your other type in dimension is 12 meter. So you have to create a 4 times of the 12 meter. So because of 48 meter length, you can get a 4 meter. That's exactly the Revit give it to you the option. So don't confuse it. I hope you understand this. Okay, I will leave it this. Another one. So we will change to another one. If you want to create it, the run. If you want to create another run, you go into the architecture, then look for the run and the calculation. Just click over this. This time I will set another one. This is standard 2. Okay, another one. This is duplicated. You duplicate, you can create another one. It just click OK. This time I will create only 6 meter, but I needed 2 meter high, vertical 2 meter high. What you needed 3. You will get the 2 meter. 6 meter divided by 3, you can get the vertical value 2 meter. So that's the way we're going to create. Okay, this time we already set at the constraint level 0 to level 1, the total height must be 4 meter. So let the Revit indicate how much the length you need to create. So he will indicate it to you. Don't worry about that. So for now, you will see whatever you will create the ramp or stair, there the option here, the railing. After you create the ramp or stair, the railing will be following you, because this is the option you set the default here. If you don't want it, you just set none, then click over this. After your creation, you finish it, you will see there's no railing because you set it here none. Okay, I will show you now. Okay, this is standard 2. We set at 6 meter divided by 3. You can get the vertical 2 meter high. So I just straightforward it. So you see that 6 meter incline length, maximum incline length. Just click OK. Going to see the side view. There, we need to dimension it, measure it 2 meter. That's what I mean. So I will going back to create another one. 6 meter. He indicated you 12 meter. You have to draw 12 meter length, but you are set as maximum 6 meter length. You have to create a 2 times. Just click the 6 meter, another 6 meter. You might need it. So I will create from here. So in between, the landing will be appear automatically. The Revit give it to you the option. So just click this. Then you will reach a 0 remaining. Here 12 meter. Then you check edit type. There's a 6 meter divided by 2. You can get the 2 meter. So you your maximum incline length is 12 meter, you will get 4 meter high, because the constraint you set the base 0 level 0 to top level 1. So to the height 4 meter, you have to create the 6 meter 2 times. So become 12 meter maximum incline length, you can reach to the 4 meter of the vertical. So just okay. This time you won't see the railing, because when you create this ramp, you see this is a railing 2. That's an option for the railing. You don't want none. That's a reason. Is it that the railing doesn't follow you because you set none? Okay, just click it. Yes. Oh no, it's not created yet. It's something like this. So we're going to check to the 3D view. Look like this. This is a standard, default standard, set up by 12 meter. Set up by 12 meter incline length. This is the horizontal length. Then divided by 12 become 1 meter. That's a vertical 1 meter. So this is a standard 1. This is standard 2. If you set up the incline length 6 meter, you can divide it by 3, become the vertical value 2 meter. That's exactly what we wanted. Okay. In this video, I just show you what is a ramp maximum slope and what is the incline length, and how you can create landing is automatically appear between first segment and second segment. So something like this. Okay, so I will show you another way wrong. So I will set it another standard 3. So I will go back to the plan view. I check on this. Okay, another ramp. So we're going to create another ramp. This one, standard 3. This time we want it like 12 meter, and we want it, I will divide it by 6. So become 2 meter. So I just need another run here like this here, and 6 meter. So this time I will create a 6 meter here. Okay, 6 meter. I will type here 6 meter, and another segment and 6 meter. So how much left? So 12 meter. So I will going to another 3 meter, and I will going to another 3 meter. I will going to the 6 meter. How much left? So 0 remaining here. So I will just click OK. Then we are going to check over here. Then the first 6 meter here, and then the landing, then another 6 meter. So another landing, another 3 meter, and then 3 meter and 6 meter. Today 24 meter, because we want a 4 meter, so we have to go through 24 meter. So you want to see the level here, 4 meter, and this is a 0. Okay, so now we already understand about the run creation with the run here. So how about the boundary? We were going to create our own. So I will go back to the standard. Okay, standard, we set the dimension for the horizontal and the run maximum slope. So the 12 here. So 12, okay, value of the vertical, so 1 meter. Okay, you see the boundary here. So we're going to create a line over right here. We're going to offset for 2 meter width, offset the 2 meter, offset the 2 meter. Here, the riser, you want here for the base to top. But in here, he indicated use the 48 meter stage 0. but we need to check how become like this. So the sub view right over here, and the level line right over here, and we need to find here how much. Hold on. So I need to extend this level height. Okay. It's going to write it up. So I need to check the top level how much. It's a 4 meter. How much we created here? 0 and 4 meter here. So that is you created more than a 48 meter length. Just give me a moment. I need to show you, like we will measure roughly how much here. Okay, 30 meter. That's a more than a 48 meter. Exactly, you will get the value of the 4 meter based on your constraint value, level 0 to level 1. That's how the sketch can do in the RAM. Okay, we are going to create another RAM. Is like cycling here. So we're going to create a cycle around here. It doesn't know how much we've been through. Just leave it. So the boundary, so our offset is 3 meter. Oh, hold on. This time we will create this one. Is type 3, 12 meter divided by 6 become 2 meter. We want the 2 meter every 12 meter length, but your created is more than 24 meter. Look over here, 24 meter length, but your constraint, your limitation height level 0 to level 1, then become how much it look like this. Exactly, you will get the 4 meter. Don't worry about it. So I will offset this. Okay, so the riser, I will set the base for this and height for this. Sorry, I didn't mean over here. So just click OK. You will see here the arrow indicated then what the level here up. Please take note, guys, and for the RAM, if you want to measure the elevation point, he doesn't allow you to show the elevation on the RAM. So please take note, this is the most important thing. If you can create it, something I will change the visibility. Also doesn't give it to you, I will go back to the 3D view. He will going to show you. This is a level 0, what we created. Look at this. Look over here. The run is like going there. Take note, guys. When you create a run with the sketch, don't do this way. The reason is, if you see this run is like something like the curve, he going high. I will show you here the level 2.5 and 2.7 and 3.1, 3.6 and 4 meter. You see that? Slightly you reach the 4 meter, go beyond the 4 meter, then he will going down and the 4 meter again, because based on your constraint. But the reason is you set this length is more than 48 meter, but you set here maximum incline length is 12 meter divided by 6. That's like the system confused because you set it at 12 meter and divided by 6. Another thing is your segment, how many you segment here. You look over this, 1 2 3 segment. So that's why he calculated based on this is a level 0 is going up to here, and he will give it to you how much is that the edit type 12 meter divided by 6 become the vertical value 2 meter. So mean 2 times is 48 meter become 4 meter high. We set the value here, we set the constraint level 0 to level 1 because we want the 4 meter. So may only you create a 48 meter length, but you have created a sketch, your sketch is more than 48 meter length. That's why he confused, but its system give it to you but work to the 0. When he read the 48 meter, he stopped. His second segment, he totally stopped at 4 meter. You see that? You look over here. This is second segment. He stopped to the 4 meter. Another thing, he keep calculating as 0 to going up, then coming down again, or 4 meter. That's the main reason. Don't create like this. But on actual wall, when we create a run, it's not really like this. When we create a run, it's like 5 meter. We need like the flat level, like something like a leveling and landing, and then we want another ramp again. 1:7. We go up like 7 meter or 5 meter or 4 meter. We stop, and then the horizontal level, leveling about 1 meter. Then go up again, something like this. On real world, we don't create like this. Okay, I hope you guys understand in this video. This is the video for from the beginner to pro level. Whoever need this video, take this. Whoever confused about the run creation in the dimension setting here, come and look over this video. So I hope you guys understand this. See you next video. Bye bye.